friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am the creator of Messy Heart Crazy Life. So here on my channel, I do a variety of different things, mostly around beauty, and I do eyelash videos as well. These are my favorite to do because I love trying DIY eyelash extensions. So to give you a little backstory for those of you who are new, I used to do eyelash extensions, go professionally get them done. But I'm a little bit crazy because I would start having panic attacks because having to keep my eyes closed, I guess, is a trigger for me, and it's a control thing or whatever. And so I would like have panic attacks where I'd want to open my eyes. I know I'm a little out there. But in addition to that, I also was spending a lot of money and they didn't look great after like a weekend. They were sparse, you had the fallout and stuff like that. And I am also a little bit OCD and I like my lashes to look perfect all the time. So I got rid of the eyelash extensions and came across these DIY at-home eyelash extensions, and I have dived into this world and I absolutely love it. So I will link down all my videos below of the other eyelash extension videos that I've done. So if you are interested in, or you're trying it out, or you're not sure about a particular brand, I have my reviews down there. If you know of a lash brand that I have not tried and you're interested in seeing an honest review, please let me know. And I definitely would love to add it to my list. I'm constantly looking at new things. But today's video is going to be on the Lilac St Midnight Lashes. This is the first time that I'm using Midnight, and I'm really on a journey to try to find the perfect lash. I just did the Uptown lashes, and I really like those. These are the last ones, and I really think these are pretty because they're super fluffy. They remind me a lot of the Prism, and I go into that a little bit more into the video. But this is the look that I got. This is 10s across and then 10 stacked on top of it. So it's 2 rows of just 10s. This is my eye look that I like. I like the 10 length just because that's what I prefer. Obviously, it's going to look a little bit different on you, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like, kind of go over the lash a little bit, and go from there. Without further ado, let's get into the video. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. Here's the Midnight Lashes. I wanted to show you guys because when I was looking online and going to purchase these, and then when I got them, they remind me a lot of the Prism lashes. So I wanted to kind of do a comparison for you and kind of show you the two lashes. So if you're a Prism person, what the difference is and all that stuff, because sometimes it's hard to tell online, and so this might help you. Know if you guys can see. So this one right over here, that's the Prism. The one over here, that one is the Midnight. So to me, they look very similar. The key difference is the Midnights seem to be darker. The Prism seem to be, like, they're both fluffy, but the Midnight ones are just darker. So I'm really excited about that. They seem to have the same amount of curl, which I'm not necessarily a fan of. I wish, and I know I've seen this before on some of the Facebook group that I follow for Lilac St. It's curly, and the problem I have is it usually like fans up and hits this bone or whatever. It's not uncomfortable because that's one thing I like about the Lilac St lashes. Is they're not uncomfortable. You don't have that poking thing like I have found with other lashes, but they are super curly. But what I like about them is they're dark. I really like the Prism lashes when I first got them, and but these are like the Prism lashes but darker, so maybe give a more sultry look. I'm really excited to try. Now I did want to say, I have their website right up here. On their website currently, they are saying that they are migrating all Midnight lashes to have a consistent length throughout all segments. They're getting rid of the tapered, slightly shorter inner corner lengths. So you can see here, the inner corner right there, they're shorter than the other ones. So they're just saying that they're going to go ahead and make them all the same, which I am a fan of, because when I'm looking at them right now, you can kind of see that it starts shorter here and then goes out longer there. So I'm guessing the shorter ones inside aren't even 10 millimeters. It's probably the last ones, I don't know. The description on the website, what it says is, these are a dark, dense, incredibly lush lash, dramatic and moody with our highest concentration of lash fibers yet. They are designed with the same ultra thin fibers as the originals, but clustered tightly in a crisscrossing flare style to break up the intensity. So they look very fluffy. I wouldn't say that they're super dramatic. I think the volume ones are a little bit more like va boom, but these are really, really pretty. But like I said, they just have that like dark aspect to them, which I'm really, really excited about. I'm not going to talk through this. I'm going to try to get up close and personal as much as I can so that you guys can see the application, but it's not going to be a talk through video. I have so many other videos where I've done tips and tricks and kind of talk through it. So I will link all those down below, but this is really just me trying on the lashes. And then once I'm done, with the final look, I'll come on and let you guys know what I think about it, if I'm loving it, that sort of thing. So we'll go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so that is it. That is the finished look. I think I'm trying to see. I think there's a little bit of a gap there. I might put one more there just because it seems a little bit more full on this side than it does on the other side. So I think I might actually do that. And I've gone on top of when I've done the glass, I've gone on top of the glass and put more glue, and I've never had an issue. When I first reviewed the Pro Glue, I wasn't sure that I liked it for stacking, but since I've used it multiple times, it is my preferred method. I find that the glue is so, it moved. It is so sticky and tacky. Where did it go? That little booger, what, right there? Okay. Yeah, that's better. So that is good. So that is the finished eye look. I really like these. They are super, super fluffy and they are more dramatic. I got mine, like I said, in the 10 millimeter. So obviously if you get yours a little bit longer, they're going to be more fuller, you know, in your face or whatever. But I just find that the 10 millimeters work better for me. And that is definitely something that I've learned through my journey of doing my own eyelash extensions or whatever, DIY, whatever we're calling these things. But at-home eyelash extensions is that you have to find what your preference is. You have to find what works for your eye. And I would try to copy all these lash maps that everybody else did, and they always looked wonky on me or I didn't like them. So the biggest thing I could say is use that as inspiration, but know that your eye is different than other people's. And so you really have to play with the styles, you have to play with the lengths, and you have to figure out what your customized look is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I really do like these. They are very comfortable. They are very fluffy. I love the fact that they are dark, but hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, bye.